Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the comparison of AWeber versus MailerLite. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. AWeber offers advanced automation capabilities that allow users to create personalized email sequences based on subscriber actions and behaviors. The platform features a wide variety of customizable, mobile responsive email templates to help users easily create visually appealing campaigns. Users can segment their audience based on various criteria, allowing for targeted messaging and better engagement. AWeber includes comprehensive analytics to track key metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversions, helping users refine their strategies. AWeber integrates with various platforms, including WordPress, Shopify, and social media tools, enhancing its usability. Additionally, AWeber offers email and chat support, along with extensive online resources and tutorials. On the other hand, MailerLite features a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to create and customize emails without technical skills. While MailerLite offers automation tools, they are simpler compared to AWeber's. Users can create basic workflows based on subscriber behavior. MailerLite allows users to create landing pages and opt-in forms, which can enhance lead generation efforts. MailerLite provides essential analytics to track campaign performance, including open rates and click-through rates. The platform integrates with a variety of services, though its options are more limited compared to AWeber. MailerLite offers 24/7 email support, with live chat available for premium users. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.